Hey guys, Sabellan here, and today we're unboxing the GeForce GTX 950 Super Clocked Plus. The only thing is it doesn't have the plus on here, but according to my receipt, this is the Super Clocked Plus. So over here it just tells you about the ACX cooler, the ball bearings, cooler quieter. On the back it tells you all the features it has from NVIDIA in English, Dutch, Espanol, French, and Portuguese. Over here it says Precision X16 is included free. EVGA overclocked scanner included free. Warranty, mod rigs, gaming, Sonet, and a QR code. And just some information, NVIDIA PCI Express 3.0. And over here tells you about, it says it's built for Precision X. So this is an ACX 2.0 with 2 gigs of GDDR5 memory. EVGA is number 1, dynamic super resolution. GeForce GTX 950, GameStream, GameWorks, G-Sync, and DirectX. So let's pop into the card. Or into the box, I should say. So first things first. We got the card with some pamphlets. What else do we have? Everything goes everywhere. A 6-pin to, or dual Molex to 6-pin. A very nice EVGA metal case, like badge. And a DVI to VGA adapter, I believe. Oh no, it's an 8-pin, dual 6 to an 8-pin. So this card requires 8-pin power, not 6-pin. So let's get into the card. Well, let's take the plastic wrap off at least, or bubble wrap off. So what else do we get? We get a post. Oh, I ripped it. We get a poster. The same one. Yes. Nope. No, it's the same one. Stand for ownage. It's an EVGA like branded poster. It kind of looks like Five Nights at Freddy style poster. So you get your pamphlet. Let's see what this one is. Download the latest GeForce drivers. Your user's guide, and 900 series information about GeForce. So let's put these off to the side and put these off to the side as well. Now let's take a nice look at this card. So this is the dual fan Super Clocked Plus, EVGA GeForce GTX 950 Super Clocked. So EVGA 950 fans, dual ball bearing fans, PCI Gen 3. You can kind of see the cooler in there. Your single 8-pin power connector, and then your SLI finger for a 2-way SLI. 2 gigs tells you there, and that's really it. So let me set up, because we're going to install this as well. So ignore the microphone over there, that's just for the better audio quality in this video. So first things first is we got to get this old card out of this computer. So undo the 8-pin and the 6-pin, and I'm going to shove them off to the side, and undo the SATA, or not the SATA, the PCI Express slot, and here's the GeForce GTX 560. So we'll take a look at the cards, compare them side by side. So we got the 560 and the GTX 950. They're pretty much the same length. The 560 is a little bit thicker. There's a lot more cooling on the 950 compared to the 560. It draws less power because it only has a single 8-pin compared to an 8-pin and a 6-pin. And it should run cooler. So let's take the PCI cover off. Put it down there. I'm just going to pop off. I'm going to put the 560 off to the side and we'll slot in the GeForce GTX 950. So it goes in, down, should be approximately where it goes. So why is it not slotting in? No. Okay, so that's in. So lower the cover for the graphics card. Tighten it down. And there we go. GTX 950 Ti is installed. So all you gotta do is connect the power and you're good to go. Download your drivers from NVIDIA.com, or sometimes there's a CD. I didn't see one in this box, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching and goodbye.